Good morning, all. This is our first chapter in biology. Food, where does it come from? Had your food? Yes. So we are having food every day. Where did we get it? That we want to know. So let's go through this lesson. Food. What do you mean by food? It is a solid or liquid substance containing nutrients in it. Okay, it may be a solid thing or liquid thing which contains nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. So these are the most common nutrients in the food. So if a substance contains nutrients like this, then only we will call it as a food. Okay, so that is about the food and its definition with some examples for nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, and fat. And next, we have to know why do we need food and what happens when we are not consuming proper food at proper time. Okay, so why do we need food? The first reason, it provides us energy to perform various functions. In our body, different activities are happening. We need to walk, we need to talk to each other, talk with some other one. And we have to have the food, we have to move our body parts. And at rest or at sleep, our brain, heart, these are working. Lungs also working. So various functions are taking place in our body, even we are asleep. And in these whole time, we need what? Energy to perform these activities. From where we are getting energy? We are getting energy from the food. So, food is the source of energy for us. Then, the importance of food, the second importance. It helps to protect us from diseases. When we are having the food at proper time in a correct quantity, there is no chance for getting diseases. So, our body that is protected from germs. Okay, as we are having nutrients, the food with a proper amount of nutrients, then there is a chance to get what? Diseases. So, that's all about the importance of food or why do we need food. Then we need to know what are the things used to prepare any kind of dish. So here you can see masala tea. As you know, tea is prepared with tea leaves. And what are the other materials used to prepare this tea? We use in addition to tea leaves, we use sugar, milk, and water. And this is a masala tea. So spices will be added to this tea. Spices. And spices like cardamom. First one is cardamom. Cardamom. You can see it here. It is a spice which is giving a sweet taste and smell. Cardamom means elika Then cinnamon, cinnamon, ginger, clove and mint leaves. Okay, so these are the materials needed to prepare a dish. Dish means any kind of food item can be called as a dish, or we will call it as a foodstuff also. Foodstuff. Okay, so these are the ingredients to prepare a masala tea. So what do you mean by ingredients? The materials needed to prepare a dish. Okay, so masala tea is prepared with tea leaves, then what sugar, etc. Then some examples for food and ingredients are given here. This is in your text itself. So you have to learn about these food items and their ingredients. It should be there in your examination also. So the first one, roti or chapati, made of atta, water and salt. Atta means wheat flour, wheat powder. Then dal curry. Dal curry, or you can call it as dal itself. It is prepared with pulses, water, salt, spices, oil or ghee. Pulses means പയറുചെടികൾ. Then spices means something which are added to food to get a flavor. Flavor means taste and smell. For example, chili powder, then coriander powder, turmeric powder, like this. Then idli. It is prepared with rice, urad dal, salt and water. Urad dal means ulunnu. Chicken curry prepared by using chicken, spices, salt, water, oil or ghee. Then ghee is a North Indian food item prepared with milk, sugar and rice. So this is just like our payasam. Rice, it is boiled in milk, then at last sugar and some ghee will also be added here. Isn't it? So these are the food and ingredients that you have to learn, and try to find more food items and their ingredients like this. Is it clear? So food items and ingredients. Ingredients means the materials needed to prepare a dish. About 5 dishes are given here. So learn well. These are all 5 dishes and their ingredients. Next, you can see something I will show you now, that variety of food items, variety of dishes in a plate. Okay. Wait. So here you can see a variety of food items in a plate. So chapatis. Chapatis are made up from dough of wheat flour and water. Dough means maavu. അരച്ചു വെച്ച മാവ്. So dough of wheat flour and water. So these are the things used to prepare what chapatis. Then dal curry. Dal is made of pulses, water, salt and spices also. Okay, spices. So ingredients of dal curry. Is it clear? So, we said different food items are made of different kinds of ingredients, materials, and these materials are known as what? Ingredients, as shown like this. Clear? So, here you can see dal curry, ingredients of dal curry. Then, here, these all kind of nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, and water. These 6 nutrients are needed for getting energy. We need energy to learn and to do exercises and also to do the household works. And we need these all things for getting energy, for proper growth and development. Development means vikasa. And the materials required for growth and maintenance of our body are known as what? Nutrients. Okay, and what do you mean by the food? It is the basic source of nutrients. And there is another definition for food. It is a nutritious thing which we eat for obtaining the nutrients. Okay. So these all things are used to obtain nutrients. Then food variety. We are having different kinds of food items like fruits, vegetables, cereals, eggs, meat, fish, and dairy products. We know about the fruits and vegetables. Cereal means rice, wheat. These two are cereals. And you know, rice is our staple food. Pradhana bhakshanam ariyana. Eggs, meat. Meat means flesh. Fish, dairy products. It means milk products. Okay, so milk products means milk. From the milk, we can make much more things like butter, buttermilk, cream, cheese, like that, ghee also. So these are the different varieties of food item, isn't it? So a single food does not give up enough nutrients. Single food does not provide all the nutrients. Then what do? We have to mix all these things, all these items to prepare a food dish. Then we will get nutrients at proper amount. Then listen, dal. It is an Indian food dish. Let you know, pulses, water, salt, and oil are used to prepare, and spices also are used to prepare dal curry. Okay, so these are the ingredients of dal. Clear? Then next one, sambar. It is a South Indian dish and ingredients are like tamarind broth, പുളിവെള്ളം, lentils, പരിപ്പ്, vegetables. Okay, so these are ingredients. Then what about boiled rice, cooked rice? What are the ingredients in a cooked rice? Ingredients are raw rice and water. So water, it is boiled. and then raw rice is added to get a cooked rice. Then chapati. Ingredients are wheat flour, water, and some people may use as what? Oil, isn't it? Then food varieties in India. You can see a map of our India in Asian. So you can see in different regions, different varieties of food are used. Like in south part of India, southern part of India, sambar is a common food item. Then northeast, fish tonga, Kashmir Rogan Josh, and western parts, dal dhokli. Okay, dal dekli. Sorry, dal dekli. So these are the different varieties of food items in different places in India. We all are using the same ingredients to prepare these varieties. That's it. So ingredients are same, but way of cooking, method of cooking, that is different. That's why different types of food items are there in different regions of India. Okay, whatever it is, food, it is must for the growth and repair of our body, and to perform the whole functions. Food is the energy source. Okay, so that's all about this. From where we obtain food ingredients? From plants. We are getting these all ingredients from plants, and then also from animals. First of all, we have to know what are the ingredients that we are getting from plants, like grains, fruits, vegetables. Okay, so grains, fruits, vegetables, we are cultivating this whole things. Okay, then you can see in a place, in an area, same kind of plants are grown. So growing of, it is a process of growing same kind of plants in an area. That is agriculture. Then what do we call these plants? Are they just plants? No. We can call those plants grown by us as crop. So we are using some crops to obtain food. These are food crops. We know teak plantation. Okay, teak plantation, that is also a crop. But we are not getting any food. It is a furniture wood. Okay, that is a commercial crop. And grains, cultivation of grain, vegetables, fruits, these all things are food crops. Means we are cultivating these crops for getting what? Food. Is it clear? So agriculture, then the plants used for agriculture can be called as what? Crop. And the crop from where we are getting the food, these are food crops. Is it clear? So that's all about what? The ingredients that we are getting from plants. So a food crop is shown. Then from animals. From animals, we are getting milk, meat, eggs, chicken, and fish. So these are the things that we are getting from animals. Different food item from a single kind of food. ഒരു ഫുഡിൽ നിന്ന് തന്നെ പല ടൈപ്പ് ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസ് കിട്ടുന്നത്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ മിൽക്ക്. ഫ്രം ദ മിൽക്ക് we are getting milk products or dairy products like butter, venna, cream, cheese, and we are getting these all things like, okay, butter, milk, everything. So these are all about what this. So it is a nutritious thing which we eat for obtaining nutrients and varieties in food.